Thank you, thank you, thank you. I want you to keep quiet so you can take what I'm going to tell you. As you've listened to the best voice in this country, look, I carry all of them. You have listened to the best vice president this country will ever have. You've listened to everybody. Let me assure you, this is where we come out. We assure you that we are committed to a new Nigeria. Today in your country, look at us here. We're in Osogbo. Osogbo is supposed to be, if you talk about the electricity, the news, everything about the electricity, Osogbo would have been #1. But there's no light in Osogbo. That shows you how Nigeria dey. Say Osogbo where power supposed to nyaku, you know dey. Place where supposed to nyaku, so where you go dey? People are hungry. Nigerians are hungry. They have no food. The youth have no job. It is not safe to travel anywhere in Nigeria today. All these things are caused by people who tell you say they give structure. That's the structure. Structure of killing you. Structure of making you poor. Structure of making sure you don't stay in school. That is the structure. That is the structure I want me and you to destroy. And that they have said, we are going to secure and unite Nigeria. We want Nigerians to be proud of being a Nigerian. And that's going to, when Nigeria is secured, where you can travel anywhere you want in Nigeria without fear. Nigerians live in ID camp. I spend my Christmas day in ID camp. I spend my New Year in ID camp. Because I said to them, as long as you're in ID camp, Nigeria is in camp. We don't want Nigeria to be in ID camp. We don't want you to be a slave, to be a poor in your own country. We said we are going to govern this country. Yeah. Where it is going to go out for consumption to producing, you have job. Look at this state. There's no more agriculture in this state. You're not producing anything. The youth here are unemployed. That is what we want to change. Youths are gainfully employed. They are doing something. Nigeria will be great by doing what? We will be producing something and exporting it. With that, our youth will be employed. That's what we want. We don't want a situation where people are finished school, no job. And people are telling you they have structure. Which structure? They're stealing all the money. And that they have said, we will fight corruption. Both of us are wealth creators. We are successful business people on our own. We have not stolen any money from anybody.
Yes, sir.
If I give it to you, you know what I said? If I give it to you, take it and vote them out. Because the next time, you have a job. So you don't need anybody to give you money to vote. When they go, we will come, we will make businesses to work. So you don't need to, nobody will give you money again. You're not a slave. Make them not just give you that penny, but you don't stop billion. What you want to do is, you want to be a proud Nigerian working and earning money. That's what they beg. Nigerians cannot be turned into beggars. That's what we want to end. We want proud Nigerians. Look at this young woman. She's a qualified nurse. The one who can speak for you here. Now school where I go. Now me build their school. Go and check. Hello? School. Where she go to school? Now me working with the bishop build them from scratch. Today is a graduate. The school not there before. Now me start them as governor. Today the thing where she went. Today the thing where she went. I look for them all over the world. But for Nigeria, no job for them. But the things we want to change. We want to be able, we have said no more strike in university. Schools will work. So I'm begging you today, the election of this year, not be tribe. Not be tribe. Let nobody tell you say, I be Yoruba, I be Igbo, I be Hausa. Is there anywhere Yoruba people buy bread cheaper? Is there anywhere Hausa people buy bread cheaper? Igbo they buy it cheaper? Now when your politicians they use to divide us. Let nobody tell you say, it may by religion. Bread cheaper? Do Muslims buy bread cheaper? Do Christians buy bread cheaper? Everybody that suffer for this country. Let nobody tell you say it be his turn. It not be anybody's turn. The turn of Nigerians. It is turn. It is your turn to take back Nigeria. It is your turn to take back Nigeria. So when nobody tell you say it be his turn. If it's a make and by turn, me, I come from Southeast. Southeast can say it's their turn. But me, I know the contest for that. And the contest as a Nigerian, a proud Nigerian, and saying that two of us are not qualified. As you see two of us, as you see two of us, no other people there for this like this. If you combine the two of us, put our head together, divide them into two, we're in the 50s. If you divide the other one, minimum 70. If you go for education, Nigeria the problem in the economy. You get PhD for economy. Two of us are private people who have made money on our own, employ labor. Other people, school where they go, nobody know. University, nobody know. Me, I can tell you, go and ask. I went to Nigeria. So, we went to Nigeria now where people can go and verify people's background. It will be true. When I was speaking to somewhere this morning, they say, when people go to government, they change. I say it's not true. Government doesn't change people. When they reach there, they bring their true character. I left Anambra State, go and verify. I am the only governor today that left the state where I did very well, and I left them $150 million and $30 billion. When they never pension. This man said they were owing him pension. Go to Anambra State. I left the government on 17th of March 2014. I was not owing pension. I was not owing gratuity. I was not owing any civil servant. Let me say it in front of him. To owe pension and a gratuity is a crime. You know why? You're owing people when they are old and they have less opportunity. You cannot owe them. We will change the country. Just hold us responsible. We are not going to delegate and when they be commander-in-chief. He will be there. Two of us are young. This job requires physical and mental energy.
That's all.
This is not a retirement home. People should retire when they are time to retire. Let's deal with the solve the problem of Nigeria. We know what it means. Hold us responsible and we'll change Nigeria. A new Nigeria is possible.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Labour Party!
Forward ever!
Labour Party!
Forward ever!
Forward ever! Thank you and God bless you.
Take care.